Facebook and Instagram just announced a $1 billion creator fund to pay creators for putting content on both Facebook and on Instagram. And Zuckerberg, the CEO of Facebook, posted this on his Facebook profile. He said, "We want to build the best platform for millions of creators for making a living, so we're creating a new program to invest over $1 billion to award creators for great content they create on Facebook and Instagram through 2022. Investing in creators isn't new to us, but I'm excited to expand this work over time. More details soon." And I also read a few different articles on this. So basically what this is Facebook already has a monetization built into it. They do pay you after you hit a certain milestone by running ads on your videos. Same as YouTube. This is a little bit different than that. This is like the TikTok creator fund. On TikTok, for example, you get paid from a fund that started with $200 million and they pay you for your content, not by running ads, just from the fund. This Facebook and Instagram fund is exactly like that. The only difference is on TikTok, I monetized my TikTok, for example, a few days ago by applying. The Facebook and Instagram one looks like it's invite only. So that's a big difference, and maybe they'll release that to more people and let you apply. But right now, from what I could see, it's invite only. I'll put a link below to this article that summarizes pretty well what the Facebook Creator Fund is. But basically, really they're trying to compete with TikTok for content. And even YouTube with YouTube Shorts has a $100 million fund. Again, different from ads because on short videos you won't get any ads, but you do get paid from this fund, or you can. And even Snapchat Spotlight has this, and even Spotify with their podcast has a fund. So it's a very competitive market, especially for short vertical videos. So I think we're gonna see more of this on Instagram Reel. Right now, there's no way to monetize that. So this is gonna give you a great option for that. You're gonna see a monetizable ways for IGTV videos. Right now, it's very difficult to monetize those. And a lot of people are moving away from Instagram and Facebook because YouTube and TikTok have made it really easy to apply for monetization. So I think Instagram and Facebook are really gonna step it up to try to compete. And as you know, Instagram is evolving very, very quickly. I was uploading to Instagram almost every single day last year, and other platforms have taken my attention away. So they're really trying to now compete. A little bit late, but I think there's gonna be a lot of changes coming to Instagram and Facebook very soon. So I wanted to make this quick video just to give you this update, but I'll make upcoming videos, how-to videos on this topic very soon. I'll see you next time.